Hey guys, this is Vanessa Helen here. So today we are going to be doing a full face using a bunch of products that Pacifica has sent me. So I'm very excited to do this video for you guys. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so we have a few products from Pacifica that I got in the mail that we'll be trying out today. So they sent me this box right here. I'm just gonna show you guys. Really cute. Has their name brand on it, Pacifica, and then they gave me their body lotion, and then their face lotion, and also their body oil, which I'll probably be using more in the summer. And then a bunch of makeup products that we will be using today. Oh, and also a little aroma perfume. I'm not very big on perfumes, but it's not too strong, so that's good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am feeling so much better than I was feeling in my last video. And now we're going to be trying their new Crystal Rays Luminous Translucent Setting Powder. I am very excited to use this because when I saw this on their Instagram, I was like, oh my god, like why don't I have that yet? So we are going to be using it today. So I'm just going to dab it in there like that and start setting. Okay, so I see that it is giving off a sort of color. So I'm just kind of gonna keep dabbing it in there. Hopefully it will just keep blending in. It smells good. It smells like their where's it at? Their Crystal Power Hydro Mist I like to use before I put on my foundation. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is sort of giving off a very luminous look, which I'm completely fine with. I'm completely fine with this luminous look. I just probably should have not used it to bake my under eyes. I'm just going to, oh my god. I'm just going to use my Fenty powder, and I'm going to kind of just like go over everything. You know what? No, I'm gonna use my milk powder because it has some color in it. I did not realize when it said Crystal Rays Luminous Powder, they would actually have that stuff in it, but it's okay. We're just gonna use a Jeffree Star brush and just pat over it. I mean, it looks like it works good, you know, like with setting the face. So that's not necessarily a problem. But if you don't really like that luminous look, this probably is not for you. So we are just gonna do that. Okay. Okay. I think that we are good here. Because it's mainly just, like I said, just around the eyes that I'm not too fond of having that luminous look. Okay. And now I want to get into the eyes. I am very excited to use the Pacifica Love Stone eyeshadow and highlight palette right here. We are only going to be using the eyeshadows because they also gave me a highlighting little palette right there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then we're just gonna open it up and look at that. Okay, so I am going to use the shade Garnet and pack that onto my lid. My crease, sorry, I meant pack that onto my crease. We're gonna go with a simple look today because I have more products to show you guys besides this palette. So blend this in. Okay. Yes, we're going to add Tiger's Eye onto the lid. I don't know why I always use this method of my finger. We will use a flat brush like that. And then, like I did in my other video, spray some setting spray on it and apply it on the lid. Okay, I'm going to now add the shade Black Tourmaline, I believe that's how you say it. Black Tourmaline under the eye. And then we're just gonna use another brush to just kind of blend it out. Nice clean brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Rose Quartet and just blend it out. Hey, baby. Because it's a nice nude color. That's beautiful. Ooh, I'm digging that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then come back. And then we're gonna use the rest of the products. Okay guys, so they also sent me their Supercharged Extending Mascara, which I already have. Where is it? Right here. Right? The same thing? Yeah, it is. Had to check. Right there. So I'm just going to be using that to apply on my lashes. I've never had clumps. Like you see how it always separates each strand of lash. Okay. See how it looks? Amazing. I'm going to apply it on the other side and then put some lashes on and then come back after. Okay, so now we're going to be using the, which one is this one? The Light Radiance Powder Palette. Right here. This is what the box looks like. That's what the palette looks like right here. I'm very excited to use this because I already love Pacifica's Solar Complete Color Mineral Palette right here, which has a bronzer and a blush that I use a lot. So we are just going to dip right into it and use that bronzer on my face today. And just ooh. I think I may have added a little too much on the side. It's okay. Nothing a little beauty blender. Beauty sponge can just pat out. And now that we have bronzed up the face, we are going to, ooh, my little frizzes just went everywhere, huh? It's okay, happens. We are going to use that blush in there that is called, oh no, my finger just went in it. Oh, Sunset Matte. Hopefully that's not too light. Nope. Gives off just enough color. Beautiful. Now we are going to be using their highlight palette, which I'm so excited to use. Their supercharged highlight palette right here. And I'm going to be using the rose quartz, the rose quartz color right there. And just getting a highlight brush and putting that right there. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty little pink color, huh? Oh, that's pretty. And then just to the other side, same thing. I'm telling you guys, everything that I've been using smells amazing. There you go, you see that? That's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. And lastly, but not least, we will be using their Crystal Punk Holographic Mineral Lip Gloss. I'm actually going to put a nude color on before I put on the lip gloss, so I'm going to go on with the dose of colors. Okay, as I'm waiting for that to dry on my lips, before I put the lip gloss on, I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. The only setting spray that I use. I love it. It has never let me down. Okay, now that the lipstick has dried, we're going to go in with the lip gloss, the Crystal Punk lip gloss from Pacifica. And just apply that on the lips. If I can get some on. Okay. We are just dabbing it on. Alright guys, so that is it. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I love how it goes over perfectly with the lipstick that I put on. Very glad I did that. So this is the finished look with everything that I used from Pacifica. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me using the Pacifica products that I have received from them. I loved all the products that I have used. Again, like I said, the setting powder wasn't necessarily what I had hoped for, but it is good when you're setting your whole face if you want to get that luminous feel. It is not to bake the under eyes because it will give that kind of radiant look under your eyes, and that wasn't something that I was going for. The lip gloss looks amazing over the lipstick that I used, and the Love Stone palette that I used for my eyeshadow is amazing. I am in love with the colors. And of course, like I said, the mascara is one of my all-time favorite mascaras that I like to use. So I'm so happy that they gave me an extra one. And the powder palette worked amazing. I would say that maybe the bronze was a little too light for me. I mean, it did the job, you know, but I liked like a darker bronzy look for myself, just preferably, you know. I will link all of the products down below. Everything is from Pacifica, like I said. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, like always, just comment down below. I will have my Instagram linked. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much again for watching.